Windy out
Hi,
there.
Judge.
Stand by just a second. Hi, Judge.
Hello.
I called an audible. We're going to start with Mr. Doran and Mr. Taylor. They are right
That's it.
here. Hi, Judge. Did you tell them that? Okay. So those four in a row will catch, but Doran and Taylor are here ready to go when you are.
Okay, I am ready.
Okay.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Mr. Doran, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm Judge Schultz. I'm with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. So this has nothing to do with your county stuff. This just has to do with the traffic matters that you have pending in city court. I'm
Okay.
going to read you the charges. They're not having a driver's license, attempting to flee or elude, and a
Okay.
defective headlamp. Ms. Hutton, I just saw your note right now, and I apologize. These were alleged to have occurred November 30th of 2025 in the area of North 73rd and State. I apologize, Mr. Doran. I put it on this docket because I did not realize that the city is seeking jail time. We can still address the matter of bond. Obviously this doesn't have anything to do with your county cases, but even if they did give you an OR bond on your county stuff, you would still have to post a $250 cash bond on the city matters. Are you requesting a reduction in bond or like a signature OR bond?
Which one? Signature with the signature OR bond work?
Okay, so that's what you're requesting, Ms. Hutton. What is the city's position on bond?
Your Honor, on these three matters, they are all they've all just occurred within the last 4 months, Your Honor. So and it looks like Mr. Duran appears for court, at least he has previously, so the city doesn't have any objection to the OR bond.
Okay, so sir, we are going to grant you an OR bond on the city matters. So obviously I can't do anything about the county stuff. Hold on one second.
Okay.
Sorry. I can't do anything about the county matters, but if the county does release you, then these city matters will not be holding you. I
Okay.
also, now that I have seen that the city is seeking jail time, I am going to appoint an attorney to your case. Give me
Okay.
1 second.
I won't have no way out today.
No, you would have to, district court is what you would need to be able to get out. And I don't know if it shows an updated court date. It didn't when I looked at 7 in the morning, but that doesn't mean anything because that was pretty early.
Okay.
No, I still don't see one showing. And honestly, I'm not even looking at the district court information. I'm looking at the information that the jail has entered into their system that I just have read access only on. So there could be a court date already chosen for the district court stuff, and they just haven't put it into the jail system.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
So I am giving you an OR bond as far as the city matter is concerned, and we will continue this. I'm going to appoint an attorney to your case, and I'm going to continue this to March 13th at 1 p.m. If you have been released by the county, you still need to appear in person at City Hall March 13th at 1 o'clock. And when you get let out of jail, they give you paperwork showing that, okay?
Okay.
Otherwise, we'll see you on video like we are today, but you'll also have an attorney representing you present, okay?
Okay. So what do I do now for the county?
You would have to ask the jail if they know when you're set. And
Okay.
they would be, Mr. Doyle wouldn't know, but the deputies in your pod might have an idea. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
I apologize, Ms. Hutton, if I had seen that. I don't know, and it's been there.
That's okay.
Somehow I just scrolled right over it, and
it's
if
okay, Your Honor.
I would have just said.
I only put it on the flee and attempt. So
No, I know, but you put it there in December.
That's okay.
Somehow I just didn't see it.
that's okay.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Okay, now,
Now it's Gregory Taylor.
yes.
Here we go.
How you doing?
I'm doing well, and you, sir?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, and you're Mr. Taylor, correct?
Yes.
Okay, I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Nice to meet you.
Let me get to that case real quick. Okay, so it looks, what did oh, I know why we're seeing you. Okay. So you have hold from Johnson County, and I also show that you are represented by Fred Zimmerman on the city cases. And this is the
Okay.
main reason why we're seeing you is I needed to find out if he is still
I haven't had
representing.
him. I haven't had him for a while, but I do need to get an attorney take to take the case.
Okay, so are you wanting like would you be asking for a continuance?
Yes, please. Yes,
Okay.
please.
So what I am going to do at this point is we are going to remove Mr. Zimmerman as your attorney.
Yeah.
I'm glad I wrote myself a note, Ms. Hutton, so I
Yeah.
can.
I haven't spoke with him in a while, so.
Okay. Okay, so right now, what you would need to do to get out on the city matters is you would have to post $1,000 cash bond. You
Okay.
can request that that bond be lowered or that you be granted an OR bond. I will tell you, even if you do get an OR bond, you do have a hold from Johnson County. I don't know exactly what it's about, other than it
It's
says traffic.
it's a traffic.
Yeah, and so
I
I
think,
don't know if they'd actually come get you or not.
but they
I
told me
mean,
I can pay here to get out on that one, but
okay,
when I came in, that's what they said anyway.
okay. So, are you requesting that the bond be reduced?
If it can, I'd highly appreciate it.
Ms. Hutton, what is the city's position on bond? Because kind of here's our problem is these cases are from 2019 and
I
2020. And I do understand that, COVID did happen in 2020 and that jacked a lot of stuff up.
yeah.
And I do know that you did have an attorney. And at one point your attorney was appearing and then all of a sudden,
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah, I thought he had
he just
everything
kind of
taken care of
stopped
for me, and then he kind of
appearing.
he disappeared on me too. So I don't
Yeah,
know.
I just don't know, because I mean, I have a note, like there's some notes from 2023 that says, you know, your attorney didn't show up, but neither did you, and it went to
Yeah,
bench warrant, and we also sent a letter to your attorney. We sent a letter to you, we got no response, so, I mean,
yeah, it was a lot of confusion. I don't know what happened with him, and he kind of just disappeared on me. So I think I'm gonna just try to continue to find another attorney on that one.
Ms. Hutton, what is the city's position on bond?
Your Honor, the only reason that the city would object to the OR bond is because of the fact that these cases are so very, very old, and we did lose track of Mr. Taylor for some period of time.
Yeah, I had a
Um,
couple babies.
and so that's why the city is opposing the OR bond, Your Honor.
Okay, give me one moment to look at some stuff, because I want to see. Because you were. Because I can see that there was consistent appearance at one point.
And Your Honor, it doesn't look like the prosecutor's office hasn't made a note in the case since 2023. So we haven't had.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, sir, is I am going to give you the benefit of the doubt and grant you an OR bond over the city's objection. However,
you.
this is going to be what's called an OR bond with a special condition.
Uh-huh.
You are to have no violent contact with Stephanie. Oh, I'm probably gonna pronounce it.
Barraza.
Barraza. Okay,
Yeah.
good. Whew. Thank you for saving me there. And because you have that hold from Johnson County, and I don't know if they're gonna come get you or not, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on March. Look at a calendar. 18th at 8:30 a.m. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Please use that time wisely.
Yeah.
Get an
Well,
attorney if you can.
Yeah, I got my
Get
income
the
tax
Johnson
coming too, so
County. Okay, get all that taken care of, okay?
yes, ma'am.
All right.
right.
So we have to see everyone on the docket before we send the paperwork over.
Okay.
So it will be, you know, obviously a few hours before it gets sent over. Hopefully
All
you
right.
can resolve that Johnson County matter quickly, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Right, I think we're done here. Moving next door for Milton. Take me a couple of minutes to get there.
Okay, thank you.
I just wanted to let you know, Your Honor, on Milton, the city's plea offer is plea as charged and it's in there. So I just want to let you know.
Thank you.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Milton is here, Xavier Milton.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Okay.
Mr. Milton, I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Just give me one. Okay, it looks like you have already been granted an OR bond on the municipal court case, but since you are in custody on your county matters, we thought we'd go ahead and talk to you about the city charge that's pending. The allegation is a possession of, is it marijuana? Give me one second. Possession of a controlled substance that was alleged to have occurred February 26th of 2025 in the area of the 2700 block of Lathrop. You can, the city is not seeking any jail time. You still have a right to be represented by an attorney, so you can request a continuance to hire an attorney. I'm just not able to appoint one to your case. You could state that you're not guilty and set this matter for a trial, or you could speak to the prosecutor to see if the two of you can work something out. What would you like to do, Mr. Milton?
Speak to the prosecutor to see if we can work something out.
Okay, so leave the headphones on and tell the person that gave you the headphones you need to go to the virtual breakout room, and they'll be sending an invite shortly.
Your Honor, I was able to speak with Mr. Milton. Mr. Milton, when I spoke with him, Mr. Milton was amenable to pleading guilty and paying the $100 fine. He is confused as to why he's still being held in jail. I explained that he is not being held on this case and that he has other cases, but I believe he still might have some questions for you, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Milton, all I am able to look at is what the jail has entered into their Blue Horse system. And what I can see is there is a pending county case. It's 26 CR 193. I show that it is set for March 3rd, but that's the only information I have. I will tell you, as far as the city matter was concerned, we granted you an OR bond already. but you're still in custody because of those charges that have been filed, okay?
They told me I could get out on like $2,500 bond or something like. It was 25,000, but like if I call the bond
I
people,
think,
it was like
yeah,
2,500.
it is a $25,000 cash or surety, so you could contact a bondsman. But that's something you'd have to handle through the jail, and that, yet again, doesn't have anything to do with the city matter, okay?
Well, could I leave and come back on the third? Like come back up to the court? I don't live too far away from here. I was living on like
So if
33rd.
you don't want to accept the plea right now and you just want a continuance to consider the plea, you can ask for that. You still have to wait to find out about the county matter. I mean, I am only a municipal court judge. I have no authority over district court cases. So my court is not holding you. It is the county court that is holding you. So if you just want a continuance for now until after March 3rd, which is when your court date is for your county matter, I'm happy to give you that.
Whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm through with this. I'm through.
But
I think we're
Uh,
done.
okay, yep, so I will just have to reschedule him to another time because I didn't take his plea because he had questions, so, okay, sorry.
All right. Moving on, Giot, or anyway, Jason, he's at the other end of the hall, same hallway. I'll
Okay.
be back.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so what I did on Mr. Milton is I just continued it for 1 week.
Sounds good, ma'am. I'll
Thank-
try again next week.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Judge, Mr. Gio is here.
Okay,
Hello.
good afternoon. I'm
Good
Judge
afternoon.
Schultz.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm getting by.
Okay, it's Mr. Gio.
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure I have the right case up. It looks like okay,
Illegal
there
dumping.
is a city. Okay, so there are some city matters that are pending. You were not booked in on them, so you're not being held on the city stuff. But I am just a municipal court judge. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. And since you are in on a county matter, we thought we would go ahead and see you on the city matters. It looks like you were charged with trespassing on railroad property. That was alleged to have occurred December 9th of 2025 in the area of 2nd and Berger. And it also looks like you were charged with illegal dumping. That was alleged to have occurred at the same date, time, and location as the trespassing. The city is not seeking jail time. You still can request a continuance to hire an attorney. I'm not able to appoint one to your case, but you still have that right to request a continuance to hire an attorney. You could state that you're not guilty and set the case for a trial. You have the right to a trial. Or you could speak to the prosecutor about a plea offer. What would you like to do?
I'd like to speak to him about a plea offer or just plead guilty. I mean,
Okay.
it's, you
So
know,
just leave the headphones on and ask the person that gave you the headphones if they can tell them you need to go to the virtual breakout room.
virtual breakout. He knows. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Talk to the prosecutor, as the judge said. Deal with this. The judge will come back. There we go.
Yeah, I'm
You're
glad.
okay.
Ms. Hutton?
I was
Oh.
able to speak with Mr. Gliot. Can you still hear me, sir? Okay. Can you still
Yeah.
hear me, sir? Okay.
Yeah.
So we're talking to the judge now. And like we just talked about, Your Honor, Mr. Gliot is amenable to the city's plea offer, which would be for him to plead not, or the city will drop the trespassing charge if Mr. Gliot will plead guilty to the illegal dumping, but it's the trash charge, Your Honor, $250, and then no state fees. I think I got that correct. And so it's just a flat $200, $50 fine. And Mr. Gliot said that he would be more than happy that worked for him.
Okay. Sir, I just want to make sure that we are all on the same page as to what the offer is. The city would dismiss the trespass count. You would plead guilty to the trash charge, and you would pay a $250 fine. Is that your understanding of the plea offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and then I just want to make sure that you understand your rights. Do you understand that you do have the right to a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand that if you did go to trial, you would have the right to have an attorney represent you at that trial?
Yes,
Do you understand that if you did choose to go to trial, you'd be able to review the discovery, such as any police report, to help you get ready before a trial started?
yes,
Do you understand that at a trial, the city would have to present evidence and prove its case beyond a reasonable doubt?
yes,
Do you understand that at a trial, you would have the right to confront the witnesses? That means that you would be able to question or cross-examine the witnesses.
yes,
Do you understand that if you did go to trial, you would have a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination?
yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that if you did go to trial and you were found guilty, you would be able to appeal that decision to the Wyandotte County District Court?
Yes,
And knowing all of that, are you wanting to waive your right and accept the plea?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Second.
How long do I have till I can pay this fine?
What I'm going to do is I am going to put this on March 30th for payment. If for some reason you are still in custody at that time, the judge will consider closing it for a lack of ability to pay. Obviously, if you're in custody, you cannot really generate an income. Otherwise, if you have been released, you either need to make a payment of $20 or more, or appear in person at City Hall, March 30th at 1 p.m. We'll send all that information over to the jail. If you get released on your county case, the jail will give you paperwork regarding the city case before they release you, okay?
That is wonderful.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Done there. I'm gonna cycle back up and catch Clark and Eliason.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, I'm going to take a quick break, but I'll be right back.
Sounds good.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Eliason is here. Nicholas Eliason.
How you doing?
I'm doing well, and you, Mr. Eliason?
I'm good.
It looks like, oh, I'm sorry. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. I want to make sure. Okay, yes. You have already been granted an OR bond on the city matters. So you aren't being held on the matters that we are about to discuss. I'm only a municipal court judge. I don't have any jurisdiction over your county case. But since you are in custody, we wanted to reach out and talk about your city case. It looks like you were charged with having an expired license plate, driving while suspended, and no proof of insurance.
Okay.
Those were alleged to have occurred December 4th of 2023 in the area of 78th and Parallel. You can request a continuance. You know, if you're trying to figure out what's going on with your county case, that's fine. You can request a continuance. You could state that you're not guilty, set this matter for a trial, or you could talk to the prosecutor to see if the two of you could work something out. What would you like to do?
Let me get a continuance to figure it out.
Yeah,
Because I
that's
don't even
fine.
have that car or nothing anymore.
Okay. So I show that you have a court date on your county case for February 24th. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this to, or you had it this morning, I'm sorry. I'm gonna move this to April 7th. If you're still in custody on the county case, we'll see you by video again. If you have been released on the county case, the jail will give you paperwork showing that you need to appear in person at City Hall April 7th at 1 p.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right. What about my other case?
That's something you'll have to talk to a district court judge about.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
And James Clark.
Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Clark.
Yeah.
I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Uh-huh.
Just give me one moment to finish up my note on Mr. Eliason.
Your Honor, you might also have noticed that there is one court date that's for 3/16.
Possibly, yes, I do see that.
Okay.
Yes, so today, Mr. Clark, you have 4 charges pending, but one of them is not actually set for arraignment until March 16th. We do want to talk to you about the traffic matters. You've already been given an OR bond on these city cases, so these cases are not holding you, and I do not have any jurisdiction over your county case, okay?
Okay.
But what you have for the city, you have a defective tail lamp and driving while suspended. Those were alleged to have occurred August 29th of 2024 in the area of 47th and State. And then there is an allegation of driving while suspended that was alleged to have occurred October 22nd of 2024 in the area of 55th and Leavenworth. That one is not marked as a wreck and there's no underlying reason for the stop. So the one from October of 2024, we're going to close that one. Give me one second. And then the matter that's pending for March 16th, if you just want to continue these traffic matters to, you know, that court date well, I don't know if that's a Monday. Let me make sure, or if that's Monday or Tuesday. That's a Monday. But we could get all of your cases together if you wanted. I'm guessing the city will be requesting jail time on that petty theft. So you might want to deal with all of them at once. You may just want to deal with the traffic now. Up to you.
Well, which court? I had tickets at two different courts.
Yeah, this is just city court.
Okay, so the other court across the street is, because I had a
Well-
lawyer. I had a lawyer on some of the stuff. I had a lawyer on some kind of DUI or something like that. Or
So you don't have a DUI pending with us. The only thing that I see with the county is, all I can see is something from the jail screen, and it says 25 CR 165 aggravated failure to appear. But I don't know if that's an aggravated failure, what it's
would
an
my
aggravated
would my
failure
lawyer be
to
able to deal with some of this stuff also?
appear. Possibly, if you've been appointed an attorney,
Yeah.
on the county case, you could request that you be appointed an attorney, at least on the misdemeanor on this one. It is not going to be the same attorney, though. We have a contract for, services from appointed defense counsel.
So I'm not sure how long I'm going to be.
Okay,
Because I
so-
think I'm in here on a different case. Or wait, you said theft. Wasn't that part of the DUI or case? I'm confused. I've
all
got
I
so
can
many
see
tickets
is
and
a
things.
petty theft that was alleged to have occurred February 12th of 2026 in the area of 10824 Parallel Parkway. If you think it was part of your county matter, I am sure that the prosecutor will look into that and find that out for us. I'm guessing she's going to need time to do that, though. So what I would suggest we do is that we move this to March 20th to give her time to do that. That way, even if you get out on the county stuff, you're still out because we're not holding you. We've given you an OR bond.
Okay. Okay.
Did you mean March 16th, ma'am? Or are you actually
No,
moving?
I want to put it in case he's still in. That way we
Yes,
can just
ma'am.
have ADC. Okay. So if you're still in custody on the county case,
Okay.
we will see you by video March 20th at 1.
Okay.
If you get out on the county case, the jail will give you paperwork showing you need to show up at
Okay.
City Hall March 20th at 1 o'clock.
Okay. That's
All
fine.
right. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
And heading down from Ms. Dunn, our last one. If I could take a moment, I haven't spoken about our construction in a while. We've kind of got a rhythm here, but the biggest impact is probably on the releasing that you may hear
Okay.
about it. It really is slowing things down on that regard. Just to let you know, a couple more weeks. That's all we are hearing. But
Well,
otherwise,
I hope it ends quickly for you guys.
well,
Because
it
if
has.
nothing else, the noise.
It is quite annoying, and but we've found a rhythm and all. Nobody at the court has ever pressured me or brought it up or anything, but I do like to keep everybody kind of in the loop. But
Thank you.
I mean, it's been hours getting people released
Yeah,
sometimes.
well, it happens. I
But-
mean, we tell them it'll be hours, so.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, thank you. Down from Ms.
You're
Dunn.
welcome.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Pardon me, Judge, Ms. Dunn is here.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Good afternoon, Ms. Dunn.
Good afternoon.
So it looks like when we saw you last time on your city traffic matters, you had requested a continuance because I know there was some documentation that you were trying to get, maybe from family or something like that. Are you wanting some more time to try to get everything together?
Yeah, I was hoping I would be out so I can get out and
Okay.
get my own defender, but I haven't been released, through my criminal case. Hopefully I should be released soon within the next couple of weeks, hopefully. And I do need more time. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what we'll do is we'll continue this for 4 weeks to March 24th at 1 o'clock. Hopefully you'll be out and you'll appear in person at City Hall. If for some reason you are still in custody on the county matter, you are not being held on the city matter, but we'll see you on video again, okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
That's it for me, Judge.
All right, thank you, everyone.
Bye, all.
Bye.
Thank you.